So who wants to go first to share your screen and to resolve the issues?
Hi, sir. Let me share my screen. Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, we are able to see your screen. So you created Azure subscription, right? So which email address you have used, and can you please log in inside?
Yeah, I am still using the. 1 second. So still I'm using this one. So default user that you have asked me right to do the
Okay, you are
option.
using Gmail, right?
Hmm.
Okay, fine. Uh, did you create a Microsoft Entra ID?
So I was getting some issues with that. Let me do that.
You can search for the Microsoft Entra on the search top.
Yes, I'm inside Enter ID only.
Okay, go to Manage. On the left side, you can see there is Manage Users. Click on the Users. Right, you created this user already. See, there is a user principal name. Uh,
Hmm.
you can copy that one, the first one, put in a notepad. We can see the full email address.
Hmm. Yes, okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is your. If you want, you can create a new email address better with a proper understandable. Create new user. Yeah, here the user principal name. Just give like a normal Anu. Just give Anu. Okay. No. Yeah, that's enough. Anu. And this email address. Click on the drop down. Okay. So this is your. So now your email address is anu at the rate Routa Anushree 07 gmail dot on Microsoft.com. This is the email address. Okay, it's very simplified one.
Hmm.
And now you can set some password. Enter the password. Remove auto generated. Yeah, now you can enter the password. On the top you can set first. This okay.
Also, to display name.
Display name you
This
can
is a
give any name.
display name only, right?
Yeah, you can give any name.
Hmm.
So you remember the password, right? And your
Hmm.
email address also please take a snap. She at the rate ROUTANUSHRE07 gmail dot on Microsoft.com. Take a photo, or else you can copy to your notepad. Click on the drop down. Yeah, yeah, you can copy better. You can copy and save into notepad. Yeah, correct. Okay. So now review and create. Just refresh it. Right. It has created. Now what we can do? Let's go to your subscription. On the top search bar, you can search for a subscription. Open the subscription. On the top search bar, not on the top, left side search bar, you can search
Here.
IAM, not there. Yeah, here, yeah. IAM, type IAM. Right. Access control, yeah. Open that. Click add. There is a add option. Yeah, add role assignment. Here you can click
Sir, are you
on,
recording this
yes.
video?
Yeah. Click on the
Okay.
privileged administrator roles. The second option, privileged administrator roles. No, job function roles, and that we have a privileged administrator roles. Yes. Here you can search for owner. See, there is a owner role. Select the owner role. Right. Then click next. Click next in the bottom. Here you can select a member. Click on select member.
This is
There is a select members is there. See, yeah. Here you can search for the email address which you created. Yeah, the first one, she at the rate. Right. Select. Okay. Then click next. Wait, wait. The third option you can select. Right. Then click next.
here. I should go
Yeah.
with the review classes
Review
one,
and
right?
assign. Yeah. Review and assign. Assign. Review and assign. Done. Now what we can do? Let's go to home. Uh, Search for Microsoft Fabric. See here there is a Microsoft Fabric is there. Click on that. Click on create. Okay, let me wait. Just hold on. Okay, now what you can do, you can log out, or else you can do click on that right side on the top. Here, switch directory. Yeah, you can select this. This is a default directory, right? Okay, you can log out, please. Yeah, now you can goes to portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. Log out, please. Yeah, sign out. Or else sign in with a different account. So you have to use the email address of you created one, right? Use another account. Yeah, give that she at the rate, copy paste it from the notepad. Yeah, this email address you can use. Yeah, click next. Password you can set. Whichever the password you entered over there, right? That password you need to click on. So you can replace the password, change the password. New password you can set in the bottom. Yeah, sign in. We have seen that password made too many times before. Give it different password, like welcome at the rate 2025, WCAP, something like that. Right. Click next. So did you install Microsoft Authenticator app in your mobile? If not, please install Microsoft Authenticator with this logo. There is one app in the Play Store or in the App Store. Please do the installation of that app in your phone quickly. Did you install already? If you already installed, then click next. Now you need to scan by open the app and scan this QR code. So everyone has to install Microsoft Authenticator app in your mobiles, and with that app you need to scan this QR code. After your scanning, then click next. So what we have done so far, when you guys are created Azure subscription with the Gmail account, you may not get access to the Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric will be accessed only with on Microsoft.com email addresses only. That's the reason what we did. We have created one on Microsoft.com email inside the Azure, and for that email we have given access to the subscription. Then we are logged into the Azure with that on Microsoft.com email address, and then we will get access to the Fabric also. That's what we were trying to do. Anushi, is that completed? You can unmute and you can speak out.
I have created a Gmail account with Azure on Microsoft.com, but
Hmm.
after I have I have got subscription also. Status is active, showing active.
Hmm.
After few days, again it is asking for a subscription.
Few days means how many days?
By 2 3 days, after 2 3 days, I have logged in. So
Let's
yesterday again it was asking to subscribe.
let's see. Let's see.
Again I did.
Yeah, Anushi, is that you can unmute and you can say, are you installing the app? What's the status?
Yeah, I'm just scanning the QR code.
Okay. Yeah,
It
please
took actually, but it is not asking me anything.
click
I
next.
just went in. No, it is not asking for the options.
It will not
Let's
ask
start your
anything.
first verification.
Click.
Scan a QR code.
Yeah, click next.
It is not taking. Oh, what can't see now? Yes, yes. Now it is taking. Add it. This and default directory. Yes, it took actually. Okay.
So it will send one code now. So please approve the TT4 on your
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft
Yes,
Authenticator app.
done.
Click next. Done. Okay, so daily you need to log into this portal.azure.com while you are
Yes, done.
and, and
So let's keep this.
on top you can close. There is a close option. You see.
Yeah.
Daily you need to start.
Uh, I cannot hear you properly, sir. Can I go start with Microsoft Fabric, or first I need
Yes.
to create this?
Open the
Okay.
Fabric. Search for Fabric. Microsoft Fabric. Yeah. Create. Okay. So this is how you can able to create.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
how about mine, sir? My like this one free trial got expired.
You
So
have to
should I
upgrade
use
to
another
paid.
card?
If you have another card, you can use the another card. Who is this? Your good name?
Taj, sir. Taj.
Taj.
Taj. Taj.
Okay. You can either upgrade your account to the paid account or you can uh, create a new one. But my humble request for everyone, whenever you are creating Azure subscription, use onmicrosoft.com email. Don't use the Gmails. If you are using Gmails, you have to do this workaround. If you are not using the Gmails, if you are using directly onmicrosoft.com email addresses before creating a subscription to Microsoft Azure, then you don't need to use this workaround. Okay. How to create on Microsoft.com email addresses in Office 365.com? You can create it. Yeah. Who is the other issue? You can share your screen. Whoever having the issues, you can share your screen, guys. No issues for anyone. No more subscription issues. You can unmute and you can speak out if anybody having.
Morning, and this is not about issue. I mean, I'm okay with this